Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you this new Bluetooth stereo that I just bought for my Civic. So I'm going to unbox this one and show you the components that you need if you guys have a plan to replace your factory stereo. Things that you need. So you need this dash to put the double-in factory inside of this, and this is almost like matching color with the OEM part. So this comes with these two part holders and this small cabin, just in case if you want to put single din radio inside of it, and you can put this part here, but I bought the big one which is double din. It's gonna fit inside of it. So let me show you. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. And there is one more thing that you guys need, which I've already put in this box. So this factory radio comes with the remote control. As you can see, it has all the options to control the stereo system, user manual, and this is the stereo system, as you can see. And these are the this is the aftermarket code that you need to connect your aftermarket stereo system with your Civic. You can see this. I bought this one separately, and this one comes with the stereo system, and this is the mic that also comes with the stereo system. You can do calls with this stereo, and it has also feature that you can connect two Bluetooth devices at the same time with this stereo system. So the main reason I bought this to install the aftermarket subwoofer, which need these RC ports. With this the OEM factory radio does not have these ports. You have to put the converter and then put the RC cable to connect the amplifier with it, but I don't wanna mess up with the factory radio wire, so that's why I just choose to put the aftermarket radio. Plus it also has a Bluetooth and built-in mic as well. So these are the components that you guys need, and first step you need to do is to solder these two together, match according to the color, and put them together. And the next step is that this will go behind the tape, and the stereo, this will go to the factory pin that's in the car. That's the only thing that you need to do. First I need to go and remove the factory radio, and then I'm gonna put its component on this one. I need to install the AC vents here, and the airbag light and all other stuff, the AC control modules right here. And so that's it for now, and I will see you in the next video. So I'll be showing you guys in the next video how I did all those steps, and you can follow those steps as well. So stay tuned for the next video, and hopefully you like the video, and please hit the like and subscribe button if you like this video and if it's helped you. Thank you.